This is my favorite jar of spiny devil lizards, aka the Moloch. This lizard has my favorite animal defense mechanism, but it's not what you think. It's easy to see that every part of its body is covered in small, tough spines. But in my collection of every animal ever, I have tons of lizards with spines and spikes. This lizard has something even more interesting. Look closely. Do you see this lump on the Moloch's neck? Why is that there? Well, whenever this lizard feels threatened, it curls its head downwards, revealing a fake head. Spiny devils have fake heads on their necks to direct predator attacks away from their real heads.